Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Edit's camera high frame rate. Now, to use the Instagram's application's camera at high frame rate, you can record footage directly in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. This dedicated application, developed by the Instagram, bypasses the heavy compression of the main application's built-in camera, allowing you to capture fluid, hyper-realistic movement or create buttery, smooth, slow-motion shots. Now, to record at high frame rate, which is 60 FPS, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and open your Edits application. Once you do so, go ahead and log into your account, and from there you should be able to toggle to the camera feature built within the application, a circle-like icon on your navigation bar. Now, once you tap on it, set your resolution to 2K or 4K, and once you do so, you should be able to record it and later edit it just by tapping the next button. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.